Hello guys, Dark Angels Intuition is here. So I'm going to do a reading and meron siyang title or situation. I'm in a relationship but I am not happy. So let's see bakit nangyari yon, anong meron, anong pwedeng solusyon, anong pwedeng guides na may bibigay ng tarot cards ko for today, the Arcanum Tarot cards. So let's see. I'm going to choose first an oracle card. So titignan natin. Takes what resonates and leave the rest. Hindi lahat maka-resonate dito. Okay, so if hindi kayo naka-resonate at all, then might be this message is not for you guys. So check your placement. I'm going to mention zodiac signs here. So dalawa yung bumagsak. One is Cupid's arrow. Have faith. Love is coming. Surprise, invitation, or meeting. Hesitation. So sunglass, somebody is watching you. Somebody is talking on you. Gaslighting, perception, focusing out. So I can see this relationship, why you are not happy, because could be like you're not okay right now. Could be that someone baka nag-soul-searching siya, may pinanggo siya, or something na he's just there watching you. And parang on your part, you are waiting for this person. Might be there's something that having faith. Might be he's coming back or she's coming back still. Baka magkakaroon din kayo ng pag-aayos. So we never know what will happen. Yun lang yung mga first na nakikita ko sa reading na to for this oracle card. But I'm going to pull another oracle card. This is a parang connection, love connection oracle card. So pwede din to malaman kung ano yung connection na meron sa inyong dalawa. Attraction. Divine soul counterpart. Attraction transcends superficiality. So let's see. I am in a relationship but I am not happy. But let's see what happened. Could be merong attraction involved sa sitwasyon ninyo. So trapped in a situation. Four of Cups, I think that may mga bagay na hindi na na-appreciate sa relationship na meron kayo. And with the Nine of Swords, it really like hindi ka nakatulog sa kabisa kaisip about this. And with the Seven of Pentacles here, I can see that parang there is uncleared situation that ito yung dahilan kung bakit hindi ka nakakatulog, because parang you wanted to have a clear situation. Like the tarot card really wanted to tell you that don't worry about this. One day magkakaroon din to ng clear situation. Have faith. Parang ganon. Don't lose hope. Kasi feeling ko it's either this is you are trapped in a situation, or you are very much confused sa mga nangyayari. You felt parang there is something hidden in this situation that you really need to know. See, may mga tinatago, may mga ayaw sabihin, may mga tanong na hindi na sasagot ng maayos. Yun yung feeling ko sa reading na to. And because of this, this parang ito yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng sleepless night, and ito din yung hindi parang dahan-dahan na hindi mo na-appreciate yung relationship ninyo because of something is happening that feeling mo you don't understand and you don't know. So and you are of course fighting about the situation. So let's see more. So I can see here that you might be dealing with Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Anyway, your person really like, palagi kayo nag-aaway ng person na to. Meron palaging gulo sa inyo. Arguments could be hindi pagkakaunawaan, and parang because of this person is really like a wishy-washy. You want this person to pay attention to your relationship pero hindi mo nagkukuha yun sa kanya. Parang seems like para sa kanya, he's not totally into your relationship. Like yan, nasa relasyon siya, example. Pero masyado siyang para nakikita ko sa kanya, masyado siyang ma-friendly sa iba, like mostly focusing on friends, mostly parang this person is not totally focusing on your relationship and commitment, kung ano man yung mga plano ninyo in the near future. And ito yung gusto mong mangyari sa kanya talaga, na mag-focus din siya sa relationship ninyo, to be practical, to be parang magplano din siya about sa goals, sa commitment together, sa inyong future together, something like that. So because of this, you felt something. You might be Pisces, could be as well. Merong intuition sa'yo that there is something wrong about our relationship or about my person. So nandun sa point na parang you are gathering information, could be alone para malaman mo yung katotohanan, and because you really want this relationship will work. Gusto mo talaga na magkaroon kayo ng successful relationship, commitment together, na siya na yung mga kasama mo habang buhay, and you want you both to be happy as well. So the thing here is this person, parang andun siya sa point that there's a lot of hidden na nangyayari sa kanya na hindi mo naintindihan bakit hindi niya nasi-share sa'yo. Yet, if ever that you are asking this person, andun sa point na hindi niya sinasagot ng tama sa'yo. And to the point here also that parang you felt betrayed. You felt there is something wrong. Hindi ka nakakatulog sa gabi. And na-stress ka sa mga bagay na to. Kaya medyo hindi mo na-appreciate yung relasyon ninyo because of this. So, let's see about this Nine of Swords. Okay, so soul searching, ito na yung nakita ko dito sa sunglasses. Might be one of you is having a soul searching right now. Pero I think might be this person having a soul searching right now. Pero he or she still like stalking watching you, looking you far away. Andun sa point that even if ganito yung naano niya sa'yo, binigyan niya na treatment sa'yo, but yet it's really hard for you kasi hindi ka nakatulog sa gabi thinking about this. All you really want here is to have a happy, full of love, commitment, and new beginning. You really want, ito lang yung gusto mo, pero bakit parang feeling mo hindi mo nakukuha ito sa relasyon na meron ka? And honestly, you are still willing to fight for this relationship. Even if andun na sa point na might be nga meron ng gaslighting dito na nangyari. Could be merong ghosting na nangyari dito. Could be your person treat you, gave you a silent treatment. Tumahimik mo na siya. And ito yung parang pinagpapaka-worry talaga sa'yo. Bakit? Anong nangyari? Anong meron? Bakit ganito siya sa akin? Bakit hindi siya open sa akin? Bakit hindi siya nag-share ng anything sa akin? Like, what I am in his or her life. Bakit ganito? So, in this world, the world card here is something parang you wanted to end the cycle, to have a changes na talaga, because you are willing to fight for this relationship. If this person will going to move forward towards with you, if this person will going to parang do some effort to realize your worth, that you deserve most, parang yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya. If this person just realize yung how much you are good for each other, you are compatible for each other. And dun sa point na the thing here is I can see a hidden person involved in this relationship. You know, merong na involved dito sa relationship ninyong dalawa. And there is another person na ito yung hindi niya sinasabi sa'yo. And dahil sa merong ngang na-involved here, ito yung dahilan kung bakit hindi niya sinishare lahat sa'yo, because of course ayaw niyang malaman mo. Might be this person has a pride and ego, might be this person, might be siya yung tao na is-go-lucky siya or is-washy siya, pero gusto niya sa harap ng tao, siya yung matinong tao, siya yung walang ginagawang kasalanan. You know, may mga lalaki kasing ganun eh. They wanted na kung nasa harap ng tao is they are a man, parang walang nagawang kasalanan, but pero I think natukso ba to siya sa iba, nagkaroon ba siya ng iba, na-attract ba siya sa iba, so something like that. And hindi niya to sinasabi sa iyo because of course gusto niya siguro na yung relationship ninyo will still go on smoothly, or kahit papano he will going to try to parang balance the connection between you might be and another person. Pero there is really a difference already because you observed this already. You felt this already na there is really something wrong. Kaya nga nagtatanong ka na sa kanya, yet you still didn't find any parang answers, or andun lang siya sa point na nagbibigay lang siya sa'yo ng mixed signals. And every time that you are fighting, every time na napapagod siya sa away ninyo, nawawala siya. Yun yung nafe-feel ko dito, and this makes you stress or makes you feel parang having this anxiety, hindi ka nakatulog sa gabi thinking about this. So let's see more. So I can see Virgo sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius is also here. Yeah, you really wanted na ma-clear out ang lahat ng to because you wanted to have a changes in your relationship. Gusto mo na talaga na ma-save na itong relasyon ninyo, pareho ninyong i-save to because you really love this person so much. You really want that this person will going to offer you victory towards goals, towards marriage. Ito yung gusto mo talagang mangyari sa relasyon ninyo. But the thing here is, might be your person walk away emotionally, or silently, or this person might be did ghosted you, yet why you're still in a relationship? Because walang anything, sabihin natin na closure, walang anything na sinabi ayaw ko na sa'yo. It's just like nawala lang siya, tumahimik nung time na sobrang napagod na kayo sa away ba, or some of you could be like nung time na nagkagulo na, or naguluhan na siya mismo, naguluhan na siya, is tumahimik na lang siya. But of course, in that term, you're still in a relationship. It's just that it's not happy because of what your person treated you, or how your person treated you. So, but honestly, let's see about this person. Kung ano ba talaga ang meron sa kanya sa sitwasyon na to. So, I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces as well, okay? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Okay, so meron talagang other option dito sa sitwasyon na to. I don't know if some of you know about this, or some of you felt this already, or some of you meron ng rumors about this. Pero meron talagang option. Ibig sabihin, this person really did betray you. So, this person is like, parang hindi siya naging masaya talaga din sa sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. So, I don't know, some of you are married, or some of you are getting married, some of you are planning to get married, or some of you is dealing with a married person. Okay, so takes what resonates. This is a general love reading. Pero meron talagang option. Hindi niya alam kung sino yung pipiliin niya towards victory, or in offering victory here. So hindi siya nagiging masaya talaga sa situation. And kung married man kayo, hindi siya naging masaya sa married ninyo. Okay, so marriage pala, sir. And dahan-dahan, parang feeling ko dahan-dahan kayong nawawasak because of this option na meron dito. So, kung hindi man kayo marriage, it could be may mga plano na kayong ganyan, matagal na kayo, or something na you really want this person, may plan, like in your relationship, meron na talaga kayong pinag-usapan about marriage thing, or baka live-in kayo or whatever. So, takes what resonates. Okay, so, anyway, dahan-dahan na kayong nawawasak until this person cannot decide kung anong gagawin niya. Umalis na siya dito ng tahimik, could be ghosted you. But this person is just there watching you, stalking you. Okay, and you are here having some faith about the connection, because you really want this connection will work. So parang you're still having some faith. Hindi ka nawawala ng pag-asa. And even if this person, nakikita ko that even if this person is parang nag-show na siya sa'yo ng silent treatment or anything like this, parang you're still gaining some strength, or naglalakas ng loob ka pa din na ipaglaban to, kaya pang i-fix to, because nakikita ko kasi dito in your situation, you might be a Leo sign, could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Pisces sign, na you still want this person to proceed towards you, a new beginning towards you, a commitment, a future, or marriage, or something like that. Dito pa rin, siya pa din yung nakikita mo sa future na kasama mo habang buhay. So I can really see that you are waiting for this person to change, to made up his or her mind sa mga nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. Kaya you're still in a relationship because you really don't give up on this. You are someone that has a fragile heart, who don't give up on this kind of situation, that still nagwe-wait ka pa din, having faith na itong mga to, pagsubok lang to, and darating yung araw, magiging maayos din kaming dalawa nito. Whether you know that there is an option or no, because this person really betrays you. So, let's see more. I am wondering about this attraction, kung kanino to. Might be this is dahilan kung bakit kayo naging ganito, na-attract siya sa iba. Let's see. So definitely could be this is the reason. Might be a young or a single woman or man. Ito yung naging dahilan kung bakit pumikat yung relasyon ninyong dalawa, yung sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. So very much naging imbalance kayo because of this. So I can see here that dito yung dahilan kung bakit dahan-dahan kayong nawawasak and nagiging imbalance. It could be an LDR. Okay? You can be dealing with someone from the past and nagkaroon siya ng LDR nung time na you are naging, might be some of you are OFW, yun yung na-feel ko dito. And andun din sa point that could be some of you, okay? Could be some of you, this is your situation. Tapos, LDR kayo. Tapos, nagkaroon ng attraction sa inyo. Like, yung relationship ninyo is start in an attraction. And then, LDR. And then, suddenly, nagkaroon ng mga promises, love, something like that, until sa point na itong person na to dahan-dahan na siyang nagbabago, dahan-dahan na siyang hindi nagsasabi ng mga bagay-bagay, hindi na nag-share sa'yo. Why? Because might be this person has parang mabigat na problema personally, especially with someone from the past. Might be there is someone from the past here na pumasok sa sitwasyon that made him parang hindi niya sinabi to sa'yo. Parang tinago niya to sa'yo or kinip niya to sa'yo itong sitwasyon na to about someone from the past that is might be wanted to involve in your relationship. Kasi na-confuse kasi siya dito. Might be there is some clarity na nangyari about that someone from the past and your relationship, and then pumasok siya sa sitwasyon ngayon. Kaya medyo yung person mo is medyo kumalma, medyo naging cold sa sitwasyon na noon sobra kayong nag-uusap. Maybe you are the one who is LDR, baka this is your connection. You are the one who is someone LDR, and then ang ganda ng connection ninyong dalawa, and then suddenly nalaman nung past ng person na yon, nag-activate siya, pumasok siya sa sitwasyon, and then dito na siya dahan-dahan na parang feeling mo seems like he don't care anymore about your relationship because nagiging cold na siya. Sometimes hindi siya nagpaparamdam, sometimes nagpaparamdam siya. And then hanggang sa hindi na kayo nagkakaintindihan, hanggang sa nagtatanong ka na, yet hindi niya sinasabi lahat sa'yo, or he is giving you mixed signals or something na ini-ignore niya lang to. Until sa point na naging seryoso na yung sitwasyon, this person ghosted you, tumahimik na siya, gave you silent treatment kasi hindi niya na alam kung anong sasabihin niya. And isa dito is gumulo na din sa side niya, sa other person niya. So could be like this. Ito din yung isa sa nakikita ko sa reading na to na situation. It could be vice versa. So takes what resonate, kung saan kayo naka-resonate, kung alin kayo dito. So, para sa iyo, it seems so very unclear because this person did not tell you about what is happening sa kanya. Parang hinayaan niya lang na ganito kayo, in a relationship kayo, pero meron na din siyang pinagdadaanan na hindi niya sinishare sa'yo. Pero meron ka na ding feeling that there is something wrong here. So, Kaya you are not losing faith here. Kaya dito just have faith. The surprise or invitation is coming out, something like that. Hindi ka nawala ng pag-asa, and this person also is there. Even if binigyan ka niya ng silent treatment, nandyan pa din siya. Stalking to you, watching you. Social media could be ano nang ginagawa, because hindi naman kayo naghiwalay Tumahimik lang talaga siguro para alam mo yung maging kalmado lang muna ang lahat. You know, alam niya yung nararamdaman mo, pero it seems like kailangan niyang gawin to para hindi ka madamay siguro sa kung ano man yung nangyayari sa kanya. So, it could be ganun yung sitwasyon na nangyayari dito. But, let's see. Ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa relationship ninyo? Confusion on your part. Confusion, Four of Swords, stress sa kaisip. And I can also see here a coming back. So, having faith, there is a love, coming surprise, invitation, meeting, hesitation. Or let's see kung ano to, siya ba to? Or this is another one or new one will involved here in your situation. I can sense bago to. Kasi biglang parang meron nagsabi sa akin na, no, mali ka. Parang ganun. Kaya sinabi ko na, wait. Okay, that are my spirit guides. You know, we all have spirit guides. If you can feel them, meron talaga tayong spirit guides. So, anyway, there's a lot of confusion ang mangyayari talaga dito sa part ng relationship ninyo. Blindly fighting, especially you and of course your person's side, kasi you are still in a relationship pero questionable siya asan ka na ngayon? Ano na nangyari? Tayo pa ba? Okay pa ba tayo? This make you or give you parang anxiety, that you really need to have a peace of mind first to think, you know, kasi feeling ko meron talagang third party involved dito. It's either you are the third party or merong third party na na-involved dito kaya naging ganito yung relationship niyo. Since this is a relationship and might be, okay, I'm sorry to hear that, but anyway, merong darating na bago. And this is the Cupid's arrow. Darating na bago dito, but you are still waiting for this person to come back, even if you are already tired of waiting for this person. Even if might be this person has already moving forward towards somebody na okay, aayusin ko na lang yung sa atin. With this card, this is a marriage card. Moving forward, pag-aayos, and the wife could be. So, whether this is you or this is the other person, okay? So, takes what resonates. So, parang andun sa kanya, okay, para sa akin, wala na kaming dalawa nito. Or mo. Okay? So, pwede itong vice versa. Para sa kanya, wala na kayong dalawa because parang aayusin niya na lang yung sa kanila. Kaya nga hindi niya sinabi sa'yo, the problem here, hindi niya sinabi sa'yo ang lahat. He kept this from you. That makes you feel confused. kung ano ba talaga ang meron sa relasyon ninyo. Kayo pa ba or ano na, kasi hindi ka na nagpaparamdam sa akin. So, there is really cheating na nangyari dito. This person really did cheated on you because hindi niya naman in-open up sa'yo to. Hindi siya nag-open up na, I'm sorry, kailangan kong gawin to, ganyan, kailangan kong lumayo, pasensya na, or mahal kita pero kailangan talaga. No, hindi siya nag-open up to tell you the truth. He just walk away emotionally and cut off this without you knowing it. You know, parang yun yung ramdaman ko dito without you knowing it. So, ando sa point that para sa'yo, mahal ka pa din niya because you're still waiting for this person even if it's hurt. And merong taong bago na darating sa'yo and this is what you need to know. But the thing here is hesitation. You're going to hesitate on this person kasi nga you are still waiting for the answer for the person na naghihintay ka pa din sa kanya because you are still in a relationship with that person. So, ano ba yung pwedeng masasabi ng tarot card? Sa sitwasyon na to, ano yung pwedeng advice niya para sa'yo? So, let's see, for the last part. Oh, so this person, for you to know that this person has already cut off your relationship because with the devil card, sobrang na-trap na siya sa sitwasyon. So, nung time na yon, sabi ko nga kanina about the connection, anong nangyari? Na-trap si person talaga sa sitwasyon, kaya nag-move forward siya and never look back from you dahil nag-focus na siya dito. So the thing here is gusto ng tarot card na malaman mo that you really need to move forward here and never look back. Might be this person will go one day, if ever one day, no? Kasi feeling ko itong person na to nagkaroon din sa kanya ng realization, spiritual awakening, nung time siguro na hindi na kayo nag-uusap. Okay, sige, ayusin ko na lang yung sa atin kasi I think kailangan ko din gawin to. But for in your part that you are really waiting for this person to come back, yun yung doon siya naging unfair, doon parang yun yung hindi tama, na basta ka na lang niya iniwan and basta na lang siya nag-proceed na ayusin yung buhay niya without telling you na ayusin ko na yung buhay ko. Even if sabihin natin na hindi man kayo tumagal, months man kayo or year, still you deserve an answer, you deserve an explanation from this person. So or might be one day gagawin niya to sa'yo pag maging maayos na yung sitwasyon, or ayusin niya muna to bago niya sabihin sa'yo na ito yung mga nangyari sa kanya, or to have a closure or something, kasi this person is just spying on you, stalking. So, baka may balak din siya na ayusin to sa'yo, na sabihan ka na about this, the truth, one day. So, ayusin niya muna to. Kasi if hindi niya to gagawin, very much unfair to para sa'yo. Hindi mo deserve ang ganitong klaseng tao. So, para sa akin, pero nakita ko naman dito may plano naman siya na gawin to sa'yo. Nakakausapin ka din niya one day. But that one day could be, we never know kung kailan mangyari yan. This person, parang ando siya sa point na na-appreciate ka talaga niya sa buhay niya. He did love you, naramdaman niya yon. He did felt the happiness and the equality, the balance connection with you. But the thing here is, this person really needs to made up his decision, and that decision na nangyari na yon, na ginawa niya na yung decision na yon to choose that might be past person, or that other person. So the advice here, you need to move forward and never look back from this. You need to start, even if it's hard for you. Hindi ko sasabihin sa iyo na tanggapin mo yung bago kung may bagong dadating. So, but ang sa akin is, you need to start to move on, even if masakit pa to sa'yo. Even if naghihintay ka pa din sa kanya, wag ka masyadong umasa, sa kung ano mang pwedeng mangyari sa inyong dalawa. Is ang gusto nangyari ng tarot card dito is for you to heal from this pain first. Kasi, walang iba, hindi mahi-heal ng taong ito yung pain mo, or kung hihintayin mo pa kung kailan siya babalik para ma-heal niya yung pain mo, parang you will going to wait talaga sa mahabang araw or panahon or buwan or taon. So kailangan gagawin mo to mag-isa. You need to heal and to focus on yourself this time, to stand up and to proceed towards what you really want in your life or goals, even if nagmamahal ka pa din sa kanya. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na I will going to let go. Magle-let go na ako. And sa pagle-let go na yun, magmo-move on na ako. Kakalimutan ko na siya, hindi ko na siya iisipin. Hindi naman mangyayari yun, lalo na pag minahal mo talaga yung taong yun. Ang mawawala lang naman sa'yo one day kung naka-move on ka na, yung nararamdaman mo, pero yung memories, hindi yan mawawala. So, maiisip mo pa din siya. One day, maiisip mo siya, pero hindi mo na mararamdaman yung pain or even yung love na nangyari sa inyong dalawa. One day, it will never become sooner, pero one day, mangyayari talaga yon, because everybody, lahat naman, nangyayari yan sa lahat na nagmamahal. Even sa akin, I experienced this situation that I never thought na mawawala din yun. I thought that it's really hard to move on, but then it's just easy. Not easy. Siguro naging easy na sa akin kasi I learned talaga na to proceed towards my goals, towards what I want, and I enjoy my life with my friends and family, and my job especially. Doon ako nagpaka-busy. So parang until sa point that sa pagiging busy is like, parang naalala ko, until sa dumating yung araw na naalala ko na lang siya, na wala na akong nararamdaman. Parang, even yung pagmamahal, pain, lahat wala na akong nararamdaman. So, it really depends. Actually, nakadepende naman yan sa tao, nakadepende sa kung gaano kayo katagal. Pero yun yung sinasabi dito ng tarot card, na kailangan mo nang mag-move forward and never look back, and don't wait for this person kung kailan siya mag-explain sa'yo, ito nangyari sa akin, ito nang pasensya ka na, ganyan-ganyan. So mas lalong masakit yun pag hindi ka mag-move on and this person is explaining to you this way, para mas lalong mahirap mo tanggapin. At least ngayon pa lang, magi-start ka na, kung kakausapin ka man ng person na to about the situation, is ready ka na to listen, ready ka na to understand, and ready ka na to let go. So that is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.